Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install Debian. Open your favorite browser, search for Debian download, hit enter, open Debian website, click on download mirror of installation image, click on official USB CD DVD image. Here we have two types of image, CD USB, DVD USB. I recommend to download the complete one. It is around 4 gig. It is 700 meg. Click on AMD 64. Here is the latest version of Debian. It is 13.5. Download Debian. This file is around 3.7 gig. I have already downloaded. You need other software also. Download Rufus. Open Rufus website. Scroll down. Here download the latest release. It is release 4.14. It is around 1.9 meg. When you download Debian and Rufus, then close your browser. Here open download folder. Now these two software is available. In this step you need to plug in a USB flash drive 8 gig or above 8 gig. Double click on Rufus. Here click on run. Yes. Rufus will detect your USB flash drive. Select Debian ISO. Select. It is on download for me. Open. Start. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. This step will take a few moments. Now it is ready. Close it. Come to this PC. If you unplug your USB flash drive, again plug in, you will see this icon. It means your USB flash is ready to install Debian. In this step, restart your system. When you restart your system, press both keys depend on your hardware. Here select USB device, hit enter. Here select graphic install or graphic installation, hit enter. Select your language, select your location, configure the keyword. Configure the network, continue. Here if you have network, select configure network manually. If you don't have, select do not configure the network at this time, continue. Host name, it is Debian, okay, continue. Set up a user and password, continue. Write full name, you can write any name you want, continue. Continue. Set up your password, continue. Configure the clock, continue. If you want to install Debian as main system, select first option, continue. Here I have one disk, continue. All files on one partition, recommended, okay, continue. Finish partition and write change to disk. Confirm it. Continue. Partition disk. Yes. Continue. Configure package manager. Continue. Configure the package manager. Again, leave as default. Continue. Continue. Software selection. You can select anyone you want. For example, SSH server, or you can leave as default. Continue. Install bootloader. Continue. Select DEV. Continue. Finish the installation. Continue. Debian Linux. Okay. Enter your password. Now, we successfully installed Debian. Guys, I hope you enjoyed from this video. Have a good time. See you soon.